Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the landscape of modern warfare, offering both significant advantages and raising serious ethical concerns. Here's a breakdown of how AI is being used in modern wars. From AI-driven drones conducting reconnaissance to autonomous tanks navigating complex terrains, AI is revolutionizing military operations. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of battlefield data, enhancing decision-making and strategy formulation. AI also plays a crucial role in medical evacuation, logistics, and training simulations, making operations more efficient. However, the integration of AI in warfare raises ethical questions and international debates on its implications. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the pros and cons of AI in modern warfare.
Enhanced intelligence and data analysis. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data from various sources like satellite imagery, social media, and more to identify patterns, trends, and potential threats. For example, AI can analyze satellite images to detect unusual troop movements or changes in terrain that might indicate hidden installations. Similarly, by scanning social media, AI can pick up on emerging threats or shifts in public sentiment that could impact military operations. This improves situational awareness and enables faster, more informed decision-making. For instance, commanders can receive real-time updates and predictive analytics, allowing them to anticipate enemy actions and respond more effectively. Autonomous systems, AI-powered drones, robots, and other autonomous systems can perform tasks like reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat operations, reducing the risk to human soldiers. These systems can operate in hazardous environments, gather critical intelligence, and engage targets with precision. For example, autonomous drones can fly into enemy territory to gather real-time video and sensor data without risking human lives. Improved logistics and supply chain management. AI can optimize the movement of troops, equipment, and supplies, ensuring they are in the right place at the right time. This includes predicting supply needs, optimizing routes, and managing inventory levels. For instance, AI can analyze weather patterns and terrain data to determine the best routes for supply convoys, minimizing delays and ensuring timely delivery. Cyber warfare. AI can be used to develop sophisticated cyber attacks, defend against cyber threats, and analyze large-scale cyber operations. AI systems can detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, protecting critical infrastructure and sensitive data. For example, AI can identify unusual network activity that might indicate a cyber attack and automatically deploy countermeasures to neutralize the threat.
Select and engage targets without human intervention raises serious ethical questions about accountability and the potential for unintended harm. For instance, if an autonomous weapon makes a mistake, who is held responsible? The programmer, the military commander, or the machine itself? This ambiguity in accountability can lead to significant legal and moral dilemmas. Bias and discrimination. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI system's decisions may also be biased. This can result in discriminatory practices in military operations, leading to unfair targeting or discrimination. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that reflects existing societal biases, it may disproportionately target certain groups, leading to ethical and humanitarian concerns. Loss of human control. Over-reliance on AI systems could erode human judgment and decision-making. This dependency on AI can diminish the role of human intuition and experience in critical situations, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences. For instance, if an AI system fails or is hacked, it could make erroneous decisions that result in significant loss of life or unintended escalation of conflict. Escalation of conflict. The rapid pace of AI development and its potential for autonomous decision-making could increase the risk of accidental escalation of conflicts. AI systems might misinterpret data or act on incomplete information, leading to unintended military engagements. To mitigate these risks, international treaties and regulations are being discussed to ensure that AI in warfare is used responsibly and ethically. Global cooperation is essential to address these ethical concerns and prevent potential misuse of AI technology in military contexts.
Current applications: AI-powered drones are widely used for surveillance and reconnaissance. These drones can cover vast areas, providing real-time data and imagery to military personnel, which enhances situational awareness and decision-making capabilities. AI is also utilized in targeted strikes, where precision and accuracy are paramount, These AI-driven systems can identify and engage targets with minimal human intervention, reducing the risk to military personnel and increasing operational efficiency. In the realm of cyber warfare, AI plays a crucial role in both offensive and defensive operations. AI algorithms can develop sophisticated cyber attacks, identify vulnerabilities, and defend against potential threats by analyzing vast amounts of data at unprecedented speeds. When it comes to logistics and supply chain management, AI optimizes the movement of troops, equipment, and supplies. AI systems can predict demand, manage inventory, and streamline transportation routes, ensuring that resources are available where and when they are needed most. Additionally, decision support systems use AI to provide real-time analysis and recommendations to military commanders. These systems can process vast amounts of information, identify patterns, and suggest the best course of action, enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of military operations. Overall, AI's integration into modern warfare has revolutionized how military operations are conducted, offering enhanced capabilities in surveillance, precision strikes, cyber warfare, logistics, and decision-making. As AI technology continues to evolve, its applications in the military are expected to expand, further transforming the landscape of modern warfare. Future implications. The future of AI in warfare is uncertain, but it is clear that AI will continue to play an increasingly important role. As AI technology advances, it is crucial to develop ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure its responsible use and mitigate potential risks. In the future, AI could revolutionize surveillance and reconnaissance, providing real-time data and advanced analytics to military personnel. Autonomous vehicles and AI-driven tanks could enhance battlefield efficiency and reduce human casualties. AI could also assist in strategic decision-making, offering insights and predictions that could shape military tactics and operations. However, the development of AI in warfare raises ethical concerns, such as the potential for autonomous weapons to make life-and-death decisions without human intervention. International cooperation will be essential to establish global standards and prevent an AI arms race. On the positive side, AI can also be used in humanitarian missions, such as delivering aid to disaster-stricken areas. Future military training programs could incorporate AI simulators, providing realistic and adaptive training environments for soldiers. AI will play a crucial role in cybersecurity, protecting military networks from cyber threats and ensuring the integrity of sensitive information. As we move forward, it is imperative to engage in ongoing discussions about the ethical implications of AI in warfare, involving a diverse group of experts and stakeholders. The future of AI in modern warfare holds both promise and peril, and it is up to us to navigate this complex landscape responsibly. AI regulations and guidelines. As AI technology continues to advance, it is crucial to develop and implement ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure its responsible use in modern warfare. This includes addressing issues such as accountability, transparency, and the prevention of unintended harm. International cooperation will be essential in creating a unified framework that governs the deployment of AI in military settings. This framework should encompass strict protocols for the development, testing, and deployment of AI systems, ensuring that they operate within defined ethical boundaries. Transparency in AI algorithms is paramount. By making these systems more understandable and predictable, we can mitigate the risks of unintended consequences and ensure that AI operates in a manner consistent with human values and international law. Finally, accountability measures must be in place. This involves establishing clear lines of responsibility for AI actions, ensuring that human oversight remains integral to the decision-making process. By doing so, we can prevent scenarios where autonomous systems make life-and-death decisions without human intervention. The implementation of these guidelines and regulations will play a crucial role in shaping the future of AI in warfare, balancing innovation with ethical considerations to promote a safer, more responsible use of this powerful technology. AI in cyber warfare. AI is playing an increasingly important role in cyber warfare, both in developing sophisticated cyber attacks and defending against them. This chapter explores the current state of AI in cyber warfare and its potential future developments. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the cyber battlefield. On one hand, AI algorithms are being used to create advanced malware that can adapt and evolve, making it harder for traditional defenses to counter them. These AI-driven attacks can analyze network defenses, find vulnerabilities, and exploit them with unprecedented speed and precision. On the flip side, AI is also being harnessed to bolster cyber defenses. Machine learning models can detect anomalies in network traffic, predict potential threats, and respond to attacks in real time. These systems are capable of learning from each incident, continuously improving their ability to defend against new types of cyber threats. The future of AI in cyber warfare holds both promise and peril. As AI technologies become more sophisticated, the nature of cyber conflicts will evolve, potentially leading to an arms race in cyberspace. International cooperation and robust cybersecurity protocols will be essential to manage these risks and ensure a safer digital world. In conclusion, AI's role in cyber warfare is a double-edged sword, offering both innovative solutions and new challenges. As we move forward, it will be crucial to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and mitigating its risks to safeguard our digital infrastructure. AI in logistics and supply chain management. AI is revolutionizing logistics and supply chain management in modern warfare. This chapter delves into how AI optimizes the movement of troops, equipment, and supplies, ensuring they are in the right place at the right time. In the realm of logistics, AI algorithms are being employed to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency. Machine learning models analyze vast amounts of data to predict demand, optimize routes, and manage inventory. This results in faster delivery times, reduced waste, and improved resource allocation. AI-driven systems are also enhancing the transparency and resilience of supply chains. By using real-time data analytics, these systems can identify potential disruptions and mitigate risks before they escalate. This proactive approach ensures that military operations remain uninterrupted, even in the face of unforeseen challenges. Moreover, AI is playing a crucial role in automating routine tasks, freeing up personnel to focus on more strategic activities. From autonomous vehicles delivering supplies to drones conducting reconnaissance missions, AI is transforming the logistics landscape. The integration of AI in logistics and supply chain management holds immense potential for the future. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will further enhance the efficiency, reliability, and responsiveness of military operations. In conclusion, AI is a game changer in logistics and supply chain management, offering innovative solutions that ensure the seamless flow of resources in modern warfare. As we continue to harness the power of AI, the future of military logistics looks more promising than ever. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI in modern warfare.